I know a lot of people probably say this, but I swear I was doing the fretted brow thing way before the fretted. I know that I could just purchase a brow gel or something, but why would I do that when I could do this? Nah, I'm gonna purchase a brow gel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cindy here, back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my makeup. I will be doing my usual, what I like to call, I guess, like a caramel makeup look. Different variations of brown that really look nice together. This has been my look as of recent. It is super quick, super easy, typically takes me under 15 minutes to do, and I'm going to show y'all how I get it done. So without further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing I am going to do is moisturize my face. I will be moisturizing my face with some hyaluronic acid. I am using this hyaluronic acid from Delfante. Everything will be linked in my Amazon store down below if you are interested in checking any of these products out. If I can't put it in my Amazon storefront because it's not available on Amazon, then I will link it as a separate link, I guess, in the description box down below. But yes, everything will be down there for your viewing and shopping pleasure. Okay, step 2, because I will be going outside, is to put on some type of sunscreen. What I use is my Ambi Fade Cream, which is both a fade cream and a sunscreen. So that is what I am going to put on. A little goes a very long way with this product, and I'm particularly focusing on areas where I have dark marks. And yes, y'all, I'm missing a nail. That happened when I was reorganizing my pantry the other day, I think on Monday or Tuesday. And yeah, since then we've just been going without it. I'm gonna go get my nails done real soon. So let's just pretend like this did not happen. Okay, step 3 is priming my skin, and I'm going to be using this primer from Maybelline. This is the baby skin primer. I don't even know if people really be using this primer anymore. I think the hype behind this has completely died off, but I still have it, so I still use it. And I think this primer does a decent job. Y'all know I am a huge fan of, or a huge advocate, I should say, of if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And if it works, use it. So, yes. Priming my skin with that. Ensure that I get this into my skin really well. Okay, step 4 I think we're at, and that is foundation. Today I'm going to be using this foundation from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Activewear Foundation, and this is the 30-hour foundation. To apply my foundation, what I normally do is I put a pump or 2. Yeah, let's do 2 today. Beauty blender, and I go in applying little dots all over my face. Once I have applied all these little dots all over my skin, then I go in and I work that product in with the Beauty Blender. I really like this foundation because it really does last all day. It gives me nice coverage. The only downside to this foundation is it kind of dries down really quickly. So if you are not working with a damp beauty blender or a damp brush, if you're the girl who likes to apply your makeup with a brush, then it's kind of hard to work into your skin, if that makes sense. I'm gonna go ahead and get one more pump of foundation. And I'm gonna apply it to any areas that I feel need a little more coverage. Also, for anyone who might be interested, my shade in this foundation is 330, and that is the shade Toffee Caramel. Now that I have my foundation on, I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes, and I don't have any particular setting powder that I use to set my under eyes. I just use my Fit Me face powder in the color 330 Toffee Caramel again. This is the matte poreless powder. I use the powder puff that came with it, and I just kind of set my under eyes and the rest of my face real quick. The only area that I don't really set is my eyelids because I am going to go in with eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette that I've been reaching for is this Creme Brulee. I can't talk. Is this Creme Brulee palette from Sephora. I got this at Sephora a couple years back. I don't even know if this is still available at Sephora. I want to say yes, and if I can find it, it will be linked down below for y'all. This is the fun-sized Creme Brulee eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss, I guess. We've hit pan with this. This is the color I'm going to be using today. I don't know exactly what color that is because it doesn't have the name. Yep, no name, but this is the color. It's a nice brown color. And I do this without any rhyme or reason. I just kind of go back and forth to blend it out to my liking. I don't want it to be too harsh, but I also want it to be noticeable. So yeah, just a back and forth, and I don't take it too high up to my brow either. That midway point is kind of the sweet spot for me. And if I feel it's going too high, then I just use my fingers to clean it up a little bit. I'm sorry, I'm completely turned away from y'all. This is the non-YouTuber in me that's doing that. I apologize. I'm just a regular schmegular girl from Belize trying to do YouTube. Doing it again. Girl, get it together, Cindy. So yeah, this little blending out process is kind of the longest, I guess you could say, in my makeup routine. Because I like to blend it until I get it just right. I think that's fine. Yeah. Okay, now that I have my eyeshadow on, the next step is brows. I currently use, and I've been using this for a while actually. I don't know why I'm saying currently. I don't know why I'm saying currently because I actually have been using this for a while. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And I don't do too much with my brows. I just comb them upward. I really like the feathered brow look. I know a lot of people probably say this, but I swear I was doing the feathered brow thing way before the the feathered brow thing became a thing. I don't know what's wrong with me. Can't talk. Okay. It's kind of hard to talk and do your brows, child. So let's see. Yeah, I don't do a lot. I just kind of go in and I lightly, very lightly, fill in any sparse areas. The main thing that I do when it comes to my brows is add a little more of a wing to it to elongate them. Apart from that, yeah, I just fill in any sparse areas to make it look darker. Why am I turning away from y'all? Get it together. Okay. Yep, that's pretty much it for that brow. So that's the difference, if you could even see any. But yeah, I'm gonna go in, elongate, add a little bit of a tail, and then just fill in any sparse areas. Do they look like sisters? Because they're not twins. Good enough, I think. So now that I am done with my brows, I like to get, and this might be very strange for a lot of y'all, but I like to get a mascara that is already old and damn near drying out. And that's what I use to set my brows in place. I know that I could just purchase a brow gel or something, but why would I do that when I could do this? Nah, I'm gonna purchase a brow gel. But this is what I do for right now. Okay, so I lightly go and set my brows like that. Very gently. Very gently. Yep. They cute or whatever. Yep. Alright, where are we at? Brows done, eyelids done, foundation done. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with mascara. As of recently, I haven't been wearing eyeliner for whatever reason. And if I do wear eyeliner, then I would put like the thinnest line with or using a white eyeliner as opposed to a black eyeliner. But yeah, so now we're going in with mascara since I'm not gonna do eyeliner today. I am using this Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. This is my favorite mascara. I haven't tried very many, but the few that I've tried, this is by far my favorite. Especially when it's new. My sinus is acting up, y'all. Okay, I think that's fine. Get your ass an apartment, put you inside a C-class. That's just a start. It can plenty things kind of life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck. Okay, so mascara, no mascara. You can see a little bit of a difference. Expecting it, the pessimist, gold medalist, flush the magnets just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she would Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweet room daily for all the evidence, everything. Alright, we are done with our lashes, or at least I am. Next, I'm going to go in with this lip liner. It's from the brand Ruby Kisses. Hopefully I could find this online because I bought this in Belize at a local little makeup store. And it was very inexpensive. I think I paid like $3 or $4 Belize dollars. So like $2 US or a little over $2 US for this. But I absolutely love the color. It's a dark brown. When this is done, I have to find something that is similar in color. But yeah, what I'm doing is I'm going to line my lips and then I'm going to also apply that color to the inner portions. Please excuse me y'all, my camera died, so I had to change the setup because I gotta keep it on charge while I finish this video. So I was lining my lips. Yeah, I was telling y'all that first I go in and I line my lips and then I also add the same color from the lip liner to the inner portions of my lip. My camera turned off yet again while I was doing my lips, but basically this is how it looks. A nice brown color, I really like that color. And then I go in with some type of lip gloss. As of recent, I've been using this one that my cousin got for me. The name is Romantic. Again, if I could find this, it will be linked down below. It's a nice shimmery gloss, and I just put that in this section. Of course, the final step is setting spray. I'm going to use this setting spray from NYX. I got this at Target. Let me get my hair out the way. Alright guys, so that is pretty much the makeup look that I've been doing all summer. Off camera, I did add a little bit of highlight to my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose. And because I know my camera is probably gonna shut off again any moment, I'm going to go ahead and end this portion of the video right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to leave those in the comment section down below. Yeah. See you soon!